I missed the bus. Hi, Mark. Sorry I'm late.
Hey Jane, what happened?
I missed the bus.
Oh no, how did that happen?
I was running late, and just as I got to the stop, the bus drove away.
That's so frustrating. What did you do next?
I started running after it, waving my arms like a crazy person.
Did anyone see you?
Oh, yeah, everyone at the stop. They were cheering me on like I was in a marathon.
Did you catch the bus?
Nope, but I got a high five from a little kid who thought I was a superhero.
That's hilarious. What did you do then?
I had to wait for the next bus, which made me late.
It's okay. Instead, I got to hear an exciting story.
My computer crashed. Okay, almost done with this report. Just a few more paragraphs. What? No, not now. Hey, Jane, what's wrong? My computer just crashed. I was right in the middle of my report. Oh no, did you save your work? Not recently. I was so focused on finishing it. Let me call IT for you.
Hi, I heard you have a computer issue?
Yeah, it just crashed while I was working on an important report.
Let's see what we can do.
Do you think you can recover my report?
I'll do my best. Good news, the computer is running again. Bad news, the unsaved work is gone.
Oh no, I have to rewrite everything.
I'm sorry about that. Remember to save your work often and think about using cloud storage.
Okay, I will. Thank you for your help. At least you can start over. Better luck this time. Yeah, lesson learned. Thanks for calling IT, Sarah. No problem, Jane. Good luck with the report. Back to square one. All right, let's get this done. I have a flat tire. Oh no, I have a flat tire.
Hey Jane, what's going on?
Hi, Mike. I just noticed I have a flat tire. I don't know what to do.
What a bummer. Do you have a spare tire and a jack?
I think so. Let me check. Yes, here they are.
Great. I can help you change it. Have you ever changed a tire before?
No, I haven't. I wouldn't know where to start.
No worries. Count on me. Done. I think it will be okay now.
Thank you so much, Mike. My phone battery is dead. Sarah, I have an important call to make. Oh, really? What's the call about? I need to call my boss about a meeting. Oh no, my phone's dead. Do you need to borrow my charger? Yes, please. That would be great. Here you go. Do you need an outlet? Yes, where's the nearest one? There's one by the table over there. Thanks, Sarah. I really appreciate it. No problem, Jane. Happy to help. How long does it take to charge? About 10 minutes should be enough. Oh, that's fast. Do you often forget to charge? Sometimes, especially when I'm busy. Maybe we need a portable charger. I forgot my wallet at home.
Let's go for lunch.
Oh, yes, coming. Oh no, I forgot my wallet at home.
No problem. I can lend you some money.
Oh my, thank you. You're a lifesaver.
How much do you need?
Just $10 should be enough.
Here you go.
Thank you so much, David. I'll pay you back tomorrow.
No problem. Don't worry about it.
I can't believe I forgot my wallet.
Well, I'm not surprised, you and your goldfish memory.
David!
Ha ha ha. Just kidding. But make sure to double check next time.
I will. Thanks again for your help.
You're welcome. Now, let's enjoy our lunch.
My car won't start. Oh no, my car won't start.
Hi, Jane. Are you okay?
Hi, Mike. My car won't start.
That's frustrating. Do you need help?
Yes, please. I don't know what to do.
Have you tried checking the battery?
I don't know how to check it.
Let me have a look.
Thank you so much, Mike.
It looks like the battery is dead.
What should I do now?
Do you have jumper cables?
No, I don't.
I have some in my car. I can help you jumpstart it.
That would be great. Thank you.
No problem.
I really appreciate your help, Mike. I lost my keys. Oh no, I lost my keys. Hi, Jane. What's wrong? Hi, Lily. I can't find my keys anywhere. Oh, that's frustrating. Do you remember where you last had them? I think I had them at work, but I'm not sure. Have you checked your bag and pockets? Yes, I've checked everywhere. They're not there. Maybe you left them in your car. Let's go check. Good idea. Let's go. I can't find them, Jane. When will your friend be back home? She'll be back tomorrow. So, how about staying at my place tonight? I'm your next door neighbor, after all. Really? That would be amazing. Thank you so much, Lily. No problem. Let's get you settled in. I really appreciate your help. And I'll be more careful with my keys from now on. Sure, you should. All right, come in. Thanks again, Lily. You're a lifesaver. You're welcome, Jane. Happy to help.